from grade 5 and grade 6. Please come on the stage. All birthday students. All right, please come here. Gita Kathai, Krishma Khatri and Sadhika Chaudhary. 3 students birthday today. Today is Ashwin 10th, 2018. Right? So are you ready to wish them happy birthday? Please come here this side, girls. Come. Krishma Khatri from grade 5. Sadhika Chaudhary also from grade 5. And Gita Kathayat from grade 6. Everybody, let's sing together. Happy birthday song in our own way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Shubha tava janma deva sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam. Jaya 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 tava siddha sadhanam, siddha sadhanam, siddha sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Shubha Tava Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. On this special occasion, entire Anupam family wishes them a happy birthday, long life, successful career and cheerful face every time. And these are the gems of Anupam. So now it's the turn to sing our Western song. Are you ready? Together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.